Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I thought I'd give an update on my 5%ers challenge. Now this was the summer plan that started back in, I think it was June this year, and it essentially was a free challenge that you could actually go through 3 stages, and if you made 5% on each stage, therefore you get funded with them and actually have a live account. Now at the time it was a limited offer. I got in and got my account details, which was fantastic. And I started off and did okay in the first sort of few weeks. It was up 1%. I thought fantastic. I'm on a road to getting the first stage done. And since then I've done absolutely nothing. It was at that realization point. I was actually trying to do too many challenges. I was doing several FTMO challenges as well as this one. I couldn't focus on any one in particular. So I almost gave up, but just sort of kept it in the background and just sort of made sure I was doing the minimum on it, just to make sure that the account was still active. Because if you don't trade on it for more than 21 days, they deactivate the account. So there's 2 main criteria to passing the phases, and that was the first one, getting 5%, and the second one, achieving 400 pips. Now at the time, I was just like, okay, I don't want to trade too much. I'll just do some very long swing trades with a tiny little account size and just gain the pips that way. And unfortunately, I was buying into euro dollar and the prices kept going down and down and down. So I ended up sort of minus several hundred pips at one point. It was just going nowhere. Since then, I've just done some very, very small trades. Again, 0.01 lots, just to make sure I'm not risking any more than the actual risk parameters. I think you can only risk 1% on any particular trade. So again, just keeping it very small and just keeping it ticking over. So I'm now at the point where I've actually got a profit. I'm profiting the pips, and I really want to focus now and make sure I can get that 5% and that 400 pips target. Now, I think one of the main reasons why I really haven't sort of bonded with this challenge is not how to trade gold or indices, only mainly Forex. And for me, the majority of my trading in the past 3 or 4 months has all been on gold. I've been very profitable on that one, and I actually quite enjoy trading it. So to switch the mindset and the thinking behind it back to Forex, it's been a bit of a challenge, but I think I might just dedicate the next week or 2 weeks to really trying to bash this out and see if I can get this one over the line. So we can see here from the dashboard that things are going okay. I've not been in any drawdown, not been negative at any point. So we started off very slowly, a few small winners. I got into a nice trade on US CAD, which put me just above the 1% mark. And from that point, it's just been going sideways. This is where I've been trading the 0.01 lots. So my losses have been around about $10, $15, but in equated that to pips, that's minus 100, minus 150 pips. So I was taking a bit of a bashing all the way through this period, but I'm now starting to get onto some more winners and therefore starting to get the profit coming back. And also going to the advanced statistics, we can see that my best ever profit was a $307 profit. Biggest loss, $82. So again, not massive, managing the risk on all these ones. I did get a 286 pip trade, but again, that's probably 0.01 pips, only about $30. And again, I did get a minus 199 pip loss, again, counteracting all of those good gains, which has not been fantastic. Again, if you look at the closed trades, we can see the volume, almost nothing at all. This is just to get the account ticking over and make sure it's not closed down through inactivity, but also trying to get some decent runs on some of the trades and get some good pips. As we can see, I'm predominantly buying GBP USD currently and getting a few good returns, but I just need to make sure that as I go into the next couple of weeks, I increase that lot size and really do some fantastic trades. So as always, these things are a challenge. They're not meant to be easy. And if I thought I could do it in a day, I would probably go ahead and do that. But unfortunately, I'm not that style of trader. I'm more risk averse. I'm a slow burner. And therefore, this is probably going to take me another week or 2 weeks to try and get to 5%. And even that's going to be a push. But what I think I will enjoy is getting back into Forex. I have missed it a little bit. Also, there's some great opportunities on some of the currency pairs. I really need to do that analysis and work out what is going to work for me over the next couple of weeks and really get into some good trades. Let some of them run for, let's say, 1 week, 2 weeks and get a huge amount of pips, as well as doing that intraday trading to get some of the actual value back into the trade. So let me know in the comments below if you're still doing the summer challenge with the 5%ers, how you got on, or whether you got bored with it because you weren't able to get through the 3 phases and get to the fully funded account. It's always great to interact with everyone on the channel, and I always do my best to reply. Catch you again soon, next video. Cheers everyone.